This is Ranveer Mohammed Masood, and in this part of my talk, I would be discussing certain concepts of economics, which are basically quite interrelated with our day-to-day living, and it's a part of our life as a whole. In fact, it's in there in everybody's life, be he or she is in any part of the world, in any corner of the world. Everybody passes through this sort of phenomena in his or her life. It's basically a part of our life, these economic concepts that I'm going to discuss. Now, in today's talk, I'll be discussing on savings. How savings are essential and necessary for our sustenance, and how it is basically got to do with our day-to-day living and a good sustenance in future. So basically, savings is that part of our income which is basically deducted, or basically which remains after we meet our expenditures from a given set of income. In other words, in very simple words, it means savings is basically the remaining portion of our income after we do away with our expenditures, after we meet our expenditures in a proper manner. In fact, in a most calculated manner, in a numerical and mathematical term, we can explain savings as S equal to I minus P, income minus P as an expenditure, or S equals to I minus E, I as an income, S as in savings, and E as an expenditure. This was savings in a very economic way, and it's basically in a more literal way that I try to explain the meaning of savings, because it's basically a part of our day-to-day living, or it makes our living better. Now, we try and explain more about savings. We will find that savings has got to do with the level of income we make. It's basically quite related and associated with the amount and the level of income we have in our pocket. For example, if we have savings of say 1,000 rupees in a day, and we try and meet our the daily expenditure, the day's expenditure. For example, our day's expenditure comes to rupees 500. And we need to say something, because savings is very economical, and it's the most prudent way of earning our livelihood, the savings. And if we deduct savings from 1,000 rupees, that 500 is deducted from 1,000 rupees, we'll get a savings of 500. Now, and these savings